Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let's write the problem statement. So user need to give the user input and user need to give the user input and user need to take an array of size n and store the user inputs into the array and user need to print the user need to print the indexes of the numbers which is not divisible by 2 by 2. For example, I have given n is equal to 7 and I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So here we have to print the indexes. We have to print the indexes which is not divisible by 2. So, for example, take 1, which is divisible by 2, which is divisible by 2. No, right? So, we have to print this index and take 2. It is divisible by 2, right? It is divisible by 2. So, that's why you should not print like 1. And after that, 3. And you should not print this. So, after that, 3. So, 3 is not divisible by 2. So, we have to print this one. We have to print the 2. Sorry, we have to print this 2, right? Because 2 is not divisible by 3. So we have to print the indexes which is not divisible by 2, right? So we have to print 3 and so on 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So as we know, we have to import the util package and to write this kind of class. And I have given the n as the dot next in the ARR is equal to movement of size and after that you have to print. It's like you have to store the user inputs into the array by using for loop. I'll go to until n and each time I will store the values in the ARR in the array. Next next and after that I'll do for loop in I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here I will check if ARR of I. ARR of I means numbers. ARR of I means numbers. So if any of that number, mod 2 is not equal to 0, then I have to print the. So what should be happen? Then you have to print the index of that number. You have to print the index of that number. So we are printing the, we will print in one line, right? We will print in one line so that people can understand. So I am printing the index. So what is index? All the index values will be stored in the I, right? So that's why I'm printing I. Here, why I'm writing error of I? So here we have to check the numbers, whatever the user inputs that user will give, right? So those numbers we have to check. To check that, we have to do error of I. To check the index, we have to write simple I. That's it. I hope you understand the problem. Let us run this. So go on. Run this again. So there is no errors. Let's give 7 as input and give 7 inputs. And click on next. See, we got 0, 2, 4, and 6. So these are the numbers which is not divisible by 2. Which is not divisible by 2. See here 6 index, 7 is divisible by 2. No, right? So that's why I printed index 6. That's why we have printed index 6. And after that, 6 is divisible by 2. Yes, right? So that's why we did not print 5. And after that, is 5 is divisible by 2? No, right? So we should print the 4. We should print the 4. And so on, 2 and 0. 2 and 0. So this is how we can take the indexes out of the array according to the problem. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand this problem. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos into YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.